What's up, everybody? We're in the office today here at Attention to Detail, South Chicagoland area. Shop's located in Highland, and basically I wanted to go through some of the preferred brands of colored PPF that we like to use here, kind of showcase some of them, and that way if you're ever looking to do a color change PPF for your vehicle, then you can look up some of these colors, the ones that we carry. We will do almost any brand of colored PPF as long as it's a reputable brand, but there's a few that I wanted to showcase. When it comes to the film itself, there's a few things with film construction that are very important. When it comes to the colored PPF side of things, when you are wrapping and tucking edges, if you don't have a good glue and a good bite on that edge, that film is going to lift up because it's 8 mils thick. And so with the film being so thick, when you're trying to wrap and tuck around edges and corners, if that glue is not really strong, it can actually start lifting. And so that's why you see on some of these like colored PPF jobs where all the edges are lifting up, there's seams everywhere because they can't stretch the film as much. And colored PPF is a completely different animal than gloss, clear, or even matte film. So I just wanted to do a little showcase on some of the brands that we carry. We can start off with Terminax. We use Terminax films. They are a product from China, and they have some awesome colors. We're actually working on a color with Terminax right now on a Tesla, so hopefully we can showcase that one. We just finished a full body Tesla in KDX, so we use KDX colors. That's also our in-house clear brand. I love Carlos PPF. Carlos is, they've got a ton of colors, and their film is, their color is actually infused into the TPU, so you don't get any distortion on stretching. UPPF, we're working on a color right now from their new Cobia line on a 2022, I believe, Rolls-Royce Ghost. This is that Cobia Iron Mist that we're working on. So UPPF has their new lineup of colors, which is awesome. We've done a few Cybertrucks from GSWF, so they're also color, of course, Ultra Fit. They don't have too many colors, but the colors that they do have, this is the tint book, the colors that they do have are awesome. Pure PPF, we've done a lot of colors from Pure. So we have their book here, and we showcase all the Pure colors. We've done quite a few. Satin Military Green, I believe we did like a Frozen from them, and we've done a few. We've done a white from them as well. So there's loads of different colors from Pure. We love Pure, their film's awesome. And then Shell Shocked wraps as well. We've been utilizing them recently. They're a company out of Texas, and their film is, they have a ton of colors. So this one is awesome because we have loads of different colors from them. I believe their film, I can't exactly remember where their film is from, but we do use all their film as well. And then we have a few different vinyl brands, KPMF, Avery, 3M. But those are pretty much Shell Shock, Pure, Carlos, GSWF, UPPF, Terminax, and KDX, and UltraFit are pretty much like the main ones that we use, which is awesome. But yeah, I'd love to actually show you a full vehicle in that Cobia, that Rolls-Royce, and actually show you what colored PPF looks like and kind of explain what goes into doing a proper and professional colored full body color change PPF. So come on with me and let's go look at this Rolls. Made it over to the PPF shop, our dedicated clean room, mopped and swept twice a day. It is temperature controlled, dust controlled, air controlled, 72 degrees all year round, whether it's 30 outside or 95, it's always 72 in here. This is our clean room. We are working at the Rolls-Royce. UPPF's Cobia Iron Mist on this entire Rolls-Royce. We're doing a full body color change, as you can see, and this is coming out fantastic. I wanted to point out a few spots on this exterior and really showcase the quality of work that we provide here at A2D. If you want to come in, you can actually see that there is an inlaid piece of vinyl underneath the paint protection film right here, which is actually allowing it to not look white, because when you're laying this piece of PPF on this A-pillar, you can only wrap and tuck so much. So we actually put a piece of color matching vinyl inside of here, so that way when you're looking at it, you don't see any little areas of white, which is fantastic. So we are covering as much white as humanly possible. Another part that I wanted to mention is actually this gas tank. So this gas tank, as you can see here, we did a vinyl inlay, so that way you're not seeing any white, which is just awesome. So that's really going to separate our quality between us and the guys that are just going to wrap and tuck as many edges as possible. And if you see a little bit of white, they're just going to say, well, that's kind of part of a color change, and they leave, you know, little edges. And this is the hardest color change to do, going from white to black, because black is a darker color, and so every time you see anything lighter, you know that it's the white paint. So you can even see these doors. I mean, they are literally perfection. So shout out to Lauren, this incredible film work that we've got here. So this is Cobia Iron Mist. If you're looking for any sort of colored paint protection film, or PPF in general, clear, matte, you name it, you want to stealth out your car, give us a call, 219-533-8783, or visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info, or send us an email, service, SERVICE, at attn2detail.info. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're going to be filming a full nother video on this entire Rolls-Royce, so you'll be able to see the final finished product. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.